Oishi? Oishi? I feel so bad. Welcome guys back to our channel. This is Carolina and
JR.
We're back again, and today we're gonna do trying Filipino snacks. Yep. Some of them already tried it.
Did you like any of them?
Some.
Yeah, okay, that pause is not good. Start with the salty ones and the sweet ones. Main course and dessert.
Also for the camera. Yep.
Who doesn't love clover chips?
We still have beer. Goes so well with beer. I'm gonna rate them from 1 to 10. I mean, I do. I will and he will.
All perfect 10s. 10 in advance.
I feel like we need more
Look at that.
beer by the side.
Oh my god.
It smells so much like honey.
10.
7. 7 out of 10.
Ch-
And how
Bitch, it's barely passing.
After a bit of fighting break, we're back on. Ding dong! Big ding dong and small ding dong. I know what means ding dong. Like that thing, yeah. It stings! Garlic. Ah, garlic, no! I don't get why there's green peas in there. 5.
What? Okay, get out of here.
This one is garlic. Okay, 1.
She's probably.
I haven't tried it.
It's pretty lucky that it still got a 1.
Oh no. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, very positive person.
I can taste egg.
Oh my god. Onion and garlic flavor. The two things she hates the most.
Okay, I hate onions. It smells good. I like onion flavored chips. There we go. 8 out of 10.
Other than the clover chips?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
So guys, I think it's time for you to meet someone. Ta-da! His name is Timo. He's a rescue dog. Which is so cute, we couldn't say no and we got him. He's Timo and there is Shaco, so gamers will get the point of the names.
You guys know this. Oishi.
Ew, is this seafood? It's damn, it is. It's prawns. Not that bad actually. I can't feel much of the seafood. 5.
It's 10.
What is that?
Goes well with beer.
Is it someone's skins or something? I can smell vinegar from here. Okay, super sour. 4 out of 10. It's actual fish.
It's not actual fish. The taste of traffic.
Not good. But people like scrunch things so much.
Of course. So 1 to 10.
6.
Can't go wrong with cheese rings.
Oh, I like it. Cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Oh, so much cheese. They're so orange.
Bread pat.
Oh. Red pepper. Garlic. Gorgeous. Another
super
crunchy
good.
thing. It was good. I like it. Who doesn't like garlic bread? Beer. Or wine.
So how was that, baby? 1 to 10?
8. And now next.
Skyflakes.
Maganda. So basically they have crackers and you put chocolate in between.
Yep.
That's for you. And that's for me. Fairness, my child.
Fairness.
Masarap.
Mm.
Masarap ito. Masarap ito! Masarap na masarap. But I give it like 6.
What? Okay, the next one is very similar. You guys would know this.
There's what?
Wafer.
I'm trying to be happy. Really good. 7.
Bang bang.
Bang bang, you shot
Just
me
from-
down. Bang bang.
Just from the name.
Bang,
Just from-
bang. Here's good.
Is good. Telling her this is like Kit Kat of the Philippines. Same package design, same color,
Yeah, exactly. What?
same shape,
Oh, it's melted.
just a little bit.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Which one am I different from Tic Tac? 9.
Chocomallow. Who doesn't like this?
Sounds like super sweet thing.
Packaging you all know and love.
Cheers. This is good.
See, that's marshmallow and biscuit covered by chocolate.
I think we should try something like these ones.
Ooh.
I'm thinking of these ones. The dried coconut. This is supposed to smell like this. Maybe it's expired.
This is how coconut smells like. Crazy, girl.
Natural isn't that sweet, is it?
Personally.
I think it has some sugar added.
Definitely is. You guys know there are a lot of flavors of fudgy bar, but she just got the most Filipino one, and it's
Magapong ko!
okay. Let's try that again.
Oh, Makapuno!
Very Filipino flavor.
Very green.
Like your mind.
What does that mean? Smell it, smell it.
I'll take it.
Oh my god. Good boy. I like it. This is good. I give it like 8. 8.5.
You guys probably hate me for this because this is not chocolate, but this is a very close equivalent. How do you open this piece of shit?
Oh no, he's struggling.
Okay, this is a little difficult to open. So small.
It looks so nicely packed.
Mm-hmm. She's not supposed to eat it in one bite. You guys.
Super dry.
Baby, give me a smile. Smile.
Ayoko.
Give us a smile. Mm.
Okay, my mouth is stuck. I have no water.
Her mouth is stuck. I'm super full. I'm super full, baby.
Okay, I just got some water. My mouth is better. What is this?
Okay, guys, we're a little bit full, so we'll just try maybe 2 more. And then for the
It's
rest,
just too much.
for the rest, maybe she'll eat them in her stream.
Yeah.
And you'll just catch it there.
Mangoes, dried mangoes. Yay! Finally!
Pride of the Philippines.
He loves mangoes. I'm starting to like it too.
Ooh, it's a good piece.
Why is it such a thick? How did you? It smells so nice actually. I actually like it. It's better than fresh mango.
Oh, yeah.
Very good line. Especially because I wasn't expecting to be as good as it is. Last one for today.
Pretty sure this is Filipino, yep. My favorite snack of them all. I hope she likes it.
Looks so cute, so Barbie-like. Oh my god. Look at this. So cute.
Yeah, I remember when I was in high school.
You were a slut?
No, I was an ROTC officer. But then I would arrive in the morning eating this. Pink package, pink pretzel. Made me look not so tough. Who cares? It's delicious.
8.5.
20/10. I think she enjoyed.
Yes, I did. It was way better than I expected.
You think you would recommend this to your non-Filipino friends?
Yeah, definitely.
Which one in particular would you recommend if you only had to choose one?
Dried mangoes.
Okay, besides the dried mangoes.
Garlic bread. The chips, I think, yeah.
So all the chips?
All the chips, almost all of them. Why not, you know? A person in his life should try as much as he can.
Super fun.
I'm not. I'm going to eat after.
That's my girl. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If there's anything you think she should do in the next video.
Why me? Alone? Me alone?
Yeah, her alone, right?
No!
Let her know in the comments below.
You're not gonna leave me?
We know you guys have been telling her to do a Tagalog only video and she's working on it.
Am I?
She's just really working hard on it. Like super hard. Day and night.
Yeah guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow us and follow social media. Also, if you wanna check out me on every daily streams I do on my Facebook page, you're gonna find the link in the description. Also, importantly, don't forget to comment and subscribe, of course. Love you guys, and I really hope to see you on our next video.
Her next video.